Hello guys, today I'll show you how to delete some files in your computer or laptop. So let's start the video. First of all, press Windows R and then type Prefetch, then select OK. As you can all see, this is all the junk files that you have or may have in your computer. So select Ctrl A and just delete it. Press delete and just delete it. Another way you can delete chunk file is to press Windows R again, but this time type temp. Uh, as you can all see, these are all the junk files that I have at the moment. So you can see in your Windows if you have any, and just press Ctrl R A or select dot and press delete. So the other way to delete junk files is to press Windows R again, but this time type clean mgr, then press OK. As you can all see, these are all the junk files that I have at the moment, so just select and delete it. OK, delete files. So these are some ways you can delete junk files in your computer or laptop. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you in any way.